Falcons, and welcome to the Daily Bird Show. Today is Thursday, April 28th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat. Tomorrow's the last day of the book fair. It will close at 2:30.
Oh, man.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 72 degrees and a low of 52 degrees.
Today's lunch options are Alfredo pasta or Salisbury steak.
In the headlines, Vermont startups electric plane. A Vermont-based company improved electric vertical takeoff and landing planes. It's attracting huge investment and orders from different transportation companies. The company called Beta is now the only Western aviation firm to really push the envelope of what is a science fiction standard.
Today in history, in 1788, Maryland becomes the 7th U.S. state.
Wow. Cool. Today's fun fact is some carrots can grow longer than an SUV.
How? No way.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Dexter, what do you call a blessed avocado?
I don't know, what?
Holy guacamole.
That's all for today. Let's say our
motto
motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Dexton.
And I'm Malia.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Till next time. Fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum, bum, bum.